Hi everyone, my name is Lim Xin. Today I'm going to present Smart Connection Home using multiple recognition with deep learning. My supervisor is Dr. Ahmad Shukri bin Muhammad Noor. Content we're having 8 parts, which is background, problem statement, aim and objective, scope and limitation, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, conclusion. Project background. What is deep learning? Deep learning is an artificial intelligence function which is able to process data and creating pattern as a human brain to make decision. Deep learning is a network that can learn unsupervised from unstructured or unlabeled data. What is smart home? Smart home known as convenience home setup where home appliance can controlled remotely from anywhere with the connection of internet. With the smart home system, all of the occupancy has improved their quality of living and also able to help them to reduce the electrical bill. Problem statement. Smart connection home able to improve quality of living for occupancy. Smart connection home able to reduce the unusage of electrical bill. In this project, we're having 3 objectives. The first objective is to develop a smart home connection system for 3 generations of families such as kids, parents and grandparents. Because in this generation, majority of a family they are having 3 generations. Objective 2. To design multiple recognition for 3 generations of family member in a frame using deep learning based face detector in OpenCV, single shot multi-box detector and use ResNet 10 architecture as backbone. Objective 3. To evaluate the system performance and its ability for face detection and prediction for age accurately. Project scope. This project will not cover the detection of the pet in the house. They mainly only focus on human. Raspberry Pi camera CCTV will use to monitor for the detection of the human, and this project mainly target for the house occupancy. Sustainability, impact and limitation. Sustainability. Smart connection home is friendly and eco-green to earth. Furthermore, they are electrical energy saver, which is lower power consumption, and home electrical appliance can last longer. Impact. Simple device to control and monitoring. Save electrical costs for occupancy itself, and the maintenance fees for the home electrical appliance will be lower and lower because they're having the long lifespan. Limitation. Unable to get 100% accuracy of the result on age and gender detection. Does not work with the real electrical appliance. Camera quality low, therefore capture picture is a bit blurred compared to HD camera. Literature review. Smart home technology is the integrate of technology and service through home network for better quality of living. Deep learning dramatic improvement in face recognition and object detection problem which help to improve the multiple face tracking technique. Method use CNN. Some trouble are met, lack of robustness, high computation, allowed them to communicate with one another through the home controller. Here are the existing work that have been done for some research. Simplified multiple object tracking model for real-time intelligence surveillance system. They are using feedback tracking signal. For the face object detection, method using a separate CNN followed by a multitask learning algorithm that operate on the field's feature simultaneously face detection, landmark, gender recognition. Age and gender detection using the method of CNN. Multitask deep learning for fast online multiple object tracking. Method of multitask deep learning framework is to improve the performance of MOT. Use the intermediate layer of a deep CNN using a separate CNN followed by a multitask learning algorithm that operate on the fields feature. Learning correlate tasks simultaneously and boost the performance. Use cascade classifier on highlight feature to detect face. Provide real-time face detection but work for best photo and well-lit face. Multiple object tracking with dynamic fields cognitive map using deep learning. Achieve a performance of over 98%. Face recognition using PCA, Principal Component Analysis Method. Simplest and easiest approach to implement extremely fast computation time. For our material for this project, we are using breadboard connection, Raspberry Pi camera, Raspberry Pi, mini LED light. Methodology. In this methodology, we will split into two parts, which is software and hardware. For the software, writing Raspberry Pi code using Python code, write the code written, compile the code written to check whether is there any error. If no error, transfer to the Raspberry Pi board. And then we will go for the hardware development. Hardware development, make connection between hardware, check the connection between the hardware. If there is no problem, so both of them will transfer to the system testing and troubleshooting. On the right side of the graph, there will be start from camera detect human face. After that, recognize and identify face classification. If detected 0 human, there is no LED is brightened up. If detected 1, LED 1 and 2 is brightened up. If detected 2, LED 1 and 3 is brightened up. If detected more than 3 person or 3, LED 1 and 4 will be bright up. If it is an error, it will be repeat and repeat. A set of data samples are used for this project. Target sample: grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, daughter, son. This sample picture are being used as sample and being categorized as 3 sections, which is elders, adults, kids. Elders will be in the range of 48 to 100, while for adults will be the range of 15 to 43, while for kids will be 0 to 12. Result and discussion. The further distance for the Pi camera able to detect for a human face is 101.6 cm, while for the nearest distance is 43.8 cm. There is a baby face which is less than 43.18 cm, but it's still able to be detected because the pixel of the baby in the phone is small enough. However, the phone is getting nearer to the cameras, therefore the PI camera detected it is as same as a human face. Condition for lights up, for the LED lights up and represent what kind of electrical appliance. For the detection human 0, no LED is brightened up. For the detection of 1, white and red, which means LED 1 and 2 is brightened up. For the detection of 2, white and yellow, which means LED 1 and 3 is brightened up. If 3 or more than 3, the LED of 1, 4 will be brightened up, which is white and green. LED light 1, 2, 3, 4 represent electrical appliance. LED 1 white color represent as light. LED 2 red represent of motor fan speed with speed 1. LED 3 yellow color motor fan speed with speed 2. LED 4 green color motor fan with speed 3. From the figure above as shown on the left side, 3 human face and age detection has been detected. Result of 2 male and 1 female is being detected, but in fact there are 3 males. The accuracy might run off a bit due to insufficient of data for multiple detection. While for a single detection, the result is accurate, but for multiple detection, it will run off a bit for gender detection. Besides of that, the age detection fall in the range of 25 to 32 for all of them. In fact, it is accurate because their age is 28, 26, and 28. While from the right side of the picture, LED1 and LED4 is bracket up because of there are 3 human face detected, which is 2 female, 2 male, 1 female. Human face and age detection has been detected, which is 2. As you can see from the graph, 1 female and 1 male, and their age is fall in the range of 25 to 32. In fact, the age is accurate, which is in the real life of their age is 26 and 27. For the right side of the picture, the LED1 white color and LED3 yellow color is bracket up because there are 2 detection of human face, which is 1 female and 1 male based on the left side of the picture. 1 human face and age detection has been detected. The result of 1 male is being detected. The age detection fall in the range of 25 to 32, which is accurate because the actual age is 26. While for the right side of the picture represent to the left side picture, as left side picture detected 1, so LED 1 and 3, which is white and red, will be bracketed up because there is only 1 human face is detected, which is male. From the figure above, our objective 2 and 3 is achieved as multiple single recognition and the age detection. Meanwhile, for objective 1 is partially achieved as the hardware build is an example circuit instead of applying for real electrical appliance such as fan lights. The detection for a single fails to detect when the background is too bright and dark until it's unable to recognize the structure of the human, such as nose, eyes, and mouth. Performance of the system. For only 1 detected, the accuracy is up to 97% for the human face and the age detection, while for 2 detected, the accuracy decreased to 95% as there are 1 female and 1 male. For 3 detection, the gender detection is running off as well as there are 2 male and 1 female detected. The accuracy decreased to 80%. Conclusion. Smart home AI system for house electrical appliance is developed as part of this study. The system able to detect human and predict of the age and gender for the occupancy. Whenever the smart home AI system detected the human pass through the camera, it will indicate of the needs of the occupant, which is fan and light will be brightened up, which is LED 1, 2, 3. The LED bulbs will light up based on the number of humans detected in the camera. Here is a reference that I did for my presentation slide. While I had did an extra IEE paper for the submission, so here is a reference for the IE paper with the title of Smart Connection Home Using Multiple Recognition with Deep Learning. This is going to be submitted to IEE Access publication. Thank you very much.